Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Motorola Edge 30 Ultra in a couple of minutes. Let's go. The Motorola Edge 30 Ultra is the first smartphone in the European market to feature a 200 megapixels camera based on a 1/1.22 Samsung ISOCELL-HP1 sensor. The sensor combines 16 pixels into a single 2.56 micrometers pixel to produce final images with a resolution of 12.5 megapixels. It is also capable of capturing footage at 50 megapixels resolution. In this case, 4 pixels are combined into one 1.28 micrometers. In addition, the camera can take 200 megapixel photos with a pixel size of 0.64 microns. Support for optical stabilization is announced for the main sensor. The main camera unit also includes a 50 megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide-angle lens and a telephoto module based on Sony IMX663 with a resolution of 12 megapixels and support for 2x optical zoom. For the main unit, support for recording video in resolutions up to 8K at up to 30 frames per second is claimed. On the front side of the device is a 60 megapixel Omnivision OV60A f1.95 sensor with optical stabilization. The selfie camera supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. The device received a 6.67-inch POLED display with support for FHD Plus resolution, 1080x2400 pixels, a refresh rate of 144 Hz, a peak brightness of 1250 candela per square meter and HDR10 Plus certification. The Motorola Edge 30 Ultra is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset with 5G support. The device is ready to offer 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, as well as 128, 256 or 512 GB of permanent flash memory. The manufacturer also claims a 4610 mAh battery with support for 125-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging for the novelty. Using wired charging for 7 minutes will add 12 hours of smartphone operation. The Motorola Edge 30 Ultra will be available in Interstellar Black and Starlight White. The novelty is estimated at €900. This concludes